Hello. Yeah. Hello. Please unmute your mic. Please unmute your mic. आपको mic को unmute कर लीजिए.
Yes, sir.
Oh, good. Yeah, come. Very good. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good. Are you ready now?
Yes, sir, I'm ready.
Yeah. Good. You are from which place?
I'm basically from West Bengal, Kolkata. My hometown is Bardwan district,
Oh,
and I'm currently living in Kolkata.
oh, you are now in Kolkata, and
Yes,
but your native place is Bardwan.
Bardwan. Yes,
Yeah.
I did complete my HS from my native places. That is my hometown, Bardwan, and I did my graduation from Kolkata, and now I'm doing post graduation.
Very good. You are doing post graduation in what?
I'm doing post graduation in biochemistry, MSc.
Acha, MSc Biochemistry. Good, good, good.
Yes.
Now with this semester, it will be over?
It will over around mid of August.
Mid of August, correct. That's okay. Good. Oh, how many marks did you score in your degree?
In 10th, I scored 91%. And then then in my HS, that is 12th, I scored 88%. And then my graduation, I did score 62%. And then currently, from second semester till now, I scored 68%.
Very good, very good. But for this question, I asked what is the mark you scored in degree. Instead, you started telling me from 10th. There is no need. Could you follow? Whatever is
Yes,
asked,
sir.
you tell. Whatever is
Percentage.
no true. I asked only about degree. आपने तो 10 क्लास बता दिया, 12 क्लास बता दिया, इतना जरूरत नहीं.
Okay, sorry, sir.
Wait, no question of sorry. I am correcting you so that in a real interview you will be put on alert. Okay,
Okay,
very
okay,
good.
sir.
What is your father?
My father is a government. My father did government job, and he
Yeah.
is Indian Oil accounts officer in
Oh,
Indian Oil Corporation, Durgapur.
Durgapur. He is working in Durgapur.
Yes,
Very good.
accounts officer as a.
Yeah. That means in Kolkata you stay in hostel or with your relatives.
Yeah, like in past I stayed at hostel, but recently my father purchased a flat, so I stayed with my mother here.
Excellent. That's good. That is good. How many siblings do you have?
I have an elder brother.
Very good. What is he doing?
He is practicing law, sir.
Oh, great. He's
Yes.
practicing law. Who is the Chief Justice of India? Supreme
Chief
Court.
Justice.
Supreme Court
Ha,
Chief Justice.
Supreme Court Chief Justice N.V. Ramana.
Super.
No,
Good, good. N.V. Ramana.
Ramana.
You are in Kolkata
Yes.
and there is always news about your Chief Minister, Prime
Yes, sir.
Minister, central
Yes, sir.
government, West Bengal government. This is going on a large scale. Now, what is
Yes.
that matter about? Tell me briefly. What is the current crisis?
Current crisis is like miscommunication between state government and central government. There are a lot of miscommunication, and just because these are two different parties, their ideology is quite different. So
No,
our
no.
CM just
Yeah.
wanted something else, and our PM something wanted else. So there is a huge
So I don't.
gap
Yeah.
between central and state government.
Yeah. No, but what is the problem your chief minister is facing now?
There is lot of problem. Mainly the problem is the financial
No, I'm
support
not talking.
problem.
I'm not talking about the finance, other problems. There is
Yeah.
problem for our office itself, for our continuing in office itself. Perhaps you are not aware about that. A person who is taking oath as a minister or chief minister has to become a member of legislative assembly within a period of 6 months. Are you
Yes, sir.
aware?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Whereas
Yes, sir. Yes,
on,
I'm.
on account of say our corona problem, the elections
Yes, sir.
cannot
Due to corona problem,
elections cannot
has
be
been.
held. Elections
Yes, yes.
cannot be held now, and in order to overcome that, our chief minister is coming out with a new version that she wants to create an upper council in Assam, in state, so that she can become a member of that straight away. Perhaps you are
Mhm.
not aware about this. That's a minor issue. Just be about aware, get to know about that. That's good. Very
Okay,
good.
sir.
Why do you want to join bank?
Basically, my father is from accounts background, so I used to love biology so much. But recently, like previous years pandemic, I used a lot. I spent a lot of time with my family in my hometown. So I did some little conversation with my dad about investment accounts and something money management kind of things. So I started grow some interest in banking system, financial system. So I started develop some interest, and recently I started prepare for banking exam, and I prepare for SIB examination, and this is my interview.
Very good. Now your date has not been finalized. No?
Yes, no. After tomorrow from 11
Oh,
o'clock,
oh,
I
tomorrow
have interview.
itself. Acha, acha, acha.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Because in some colleges, date of interview was not finalized. Very good. That's really good. I think in your college, the interview must have started already.
Sorry, sir.
In your college, the interview for
Uh,
other candidates must have started already 2 days back.
No, sir. From tomorrow it will be happen because
Oh,
from our department there probably 4 students are selected, and from other department in our university only. From others department, all total 80 people are selected.
oh,
So
but however, the
as
interview
per my
starts
knowledge, to
only
it
tomorrow.
starts.
It
It will
starts.
be. Yes,
Oh,
sir. Yes, sir.
acha. But it has started in other places like Bangalore, Vishakhapatnam, and other places. You must have seen my videos also.
Yes, sir. I saw your video.
Yeah, good. That's good. That's really good. So you are a girl from West Bengal.
Yes, sir.
Bengalis like what very much?
Bengal is, you can say briefly, Bengal is like mini creature of India, matlab mini India. It has lots of background, like it has seas part, and it has also a hills region, and surrounded by so many other countries like Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan. So it is
You, you're,
totally
you're,
fulfilled.
you're not understood the question. I was just casually asking a question. What is it that majority of Bengalis like? Because I was also in Bengal.
Mm.
এখন না 77 74 से 77 तक আমি কলকাতাতে কাজ করলাম, তারপরে শিলিগুড়ি, জলপাইগুড়ি এসব জগতে কাজ করলাম। তার জন্য what is it that is of very favorite for Bengalis? Sweets,
Very favorite, like
favorite.
sweet, mishti doi, rasgulla.
Sweets, especially Mishti Doi. Not only that, of course, they do like fish. They do like
Fish.
fish. Yeah, that is, they do like that. That's right. Of course, I am a vegetarian, so I was taking only the singada.
Singara.
Singada, what is the price nowadays?
5, it varies like place to places, and like 5 to
5 to
50. Like
5 to
if you are having a samosa in 5-star hotels, it will cost like around 50 rupees. But
average,
in
average
three,
बताइए. Average.
Average, it will cost around 15 to 20 rupees per
KC
piece.
10 में कितना होगा?
After 25 per piece.
Oh, 25, 30, 40. अच्छा अच्छा. जब
हाँ,
हम
हाँ.
जब हम कोलकाता चलम और শিলিগুড়ি জলপাইগুড়ি কাজ করলাম, ওটা প্রাইস হচ্ছে 25 পয়সে।
Paise, oh,
একটা রসগোল্লা 25 পয়সে। It was very, and also similarly rasgullas, everything only 25 paise. It was very cheap in those days. But true, our salary was also less. I was branch manager and my salary was only 950 rupees.
oh.
Of course, that's okay. That's not less compared to the cost of living. It was all right. That's right.
हाँ, हाँ.
Yeah. Now coming to bank. Which bank do you have an account?
In ICICI Bank.
Oh, Baba, you're having account with big bank, ICICI Bank. What is the minimum balance they prescribe? 10,000?
500,
Five-
500, 500.
Only 500? As a,
Like
did,
5.
did you open as a student account or what?
Yes, 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 sir. As
Oh,
a student account.
maybe as a student account. That is true. That's good. Where is the headquarters of ICICI?
Mumbai.
Mumbai. Correct. Mumbai is correct. Now we are talking about SIB. South
SIB,
Indian Bank.
yes.
Where is its headquarters?
Thrissur, Kerala.
Good. Kerala's headquarters क्या है?
Kerala's
Capital?
capital, Trivandrum.
Trivandrum. Ah,
No, sir. Sir,
Trivandrum.
Trivandrum.
TRIVANDRUM. Trivandrum. Yeah.
Trivandrum.
Yeah. Tell me the plus. Tell me the plus points of Kolkata.
Plus points.
But
There are lots of plus points.
what makes you like more Kolkata? And supposing some guest comes to your house, what are the places you will take to show them?
In particularly Kolkata, there are lots of places like Victoria Memorial Hall, Science City, Planetarium, and the River Ganga. And there are lots of mandis like Belur Mott, established by Ramakrishna and like Vivekananda. There are Dakshineshwar temples.
Good.
These are the very, very popular places.
Where do you live in Kolkata?
I live in Mukundapur.
I don't know. I have not heard about it. I know only Toliganj, Baliganj, Gariyaghat, ये सब जगह. And the one place I know is Kali Ghat,
Kali Ghat.
where famous Kali Mandir is there. Yeah. Good. Very good. Very good. How keen are you in getting job in South Indian Bank? Will you be very happy if you are offered job, or you
Yes,
will be?
yeah. I will be very happy because it will be my first job in my life. I will start my career in such a reputed bank. It will be very helpful for my career growth.
So will you be able to relocate yourself within West Bengal, or you want posting only in Kolkata?
No. I am very free, available, open to relocate.
Anywhere in West Bengal, because you can be posted only West Bengal. Yeah.
Yes, I
Now the question is, how many branches of South Indian banks is there in West Bengal?
Yes, I saw that there is approximately 10 branches in Kolkata and 2 branches in Bardhaman district, like my hometowns.
Very good. So you can even get posted in your own district also.
Sir, yes.
Excellent, excellent. Now tell me, what are the responsibilities of a clerical staff?
The responsibility of clerical staff is to take the payment or cash, to take checks, deal with customers, their queries, handle their problems with smiling faces and
With smiling face.
with calmly.
That
Yes,
is that is an important point. With smiling face. That's good. Excellent. Nowadays, do you visit ICICI Bank? There is no need. because many of our transactions are got done through ATM and other things. There is no need for us to visit branches also. So, okay. Now tell me, what do you understand by debit card? Tell me the features of debit card. Yeah. Debit
Debit
card or
card,
ATM card? ATM card.
yes, in a savings account, I have my account have some money, and I can withdraw from my debit card via ATM, or I can put in some details of my card in net banking, or like Google Pay, Phone Pay. I can withdraw money or pay via internet banking.
Good. Did you use Google Pay or Phone Pay for making payment for me?
So both, I use both.
No, no, you use both. Very good, very good, very good. No, no, but when I asked this question, the question was, what are the features of debit card? Your answer was not wrong, but it can be slightly improved by your telling a debit card is used by us for withdrawing funds from our account. It is also used for online transactions. There are 16 digits for an debit card. There
It
is an
has a CVV. CVV.
that is a point. CVV. What is CVV? What is the expansion of CVV?
CVV is a three-digit
Number.
number, and
What is the
its full
expansion of
form,
CVV? Full
it
form of
is card verification
value.
value.
Good, good, good. I think you have been watching my videos. Maybe in one or two
Yes, sir.
videos
Yes,
I have told. Very good.
yes, sir.
Card verification value. First
Value.
class. Now, tell me what is the difference between a credit card and a debit card?
Credit card means we can lend money, we can borrow money from the bank in advance, and then when we have like sufficient amount in our bank, we can pay it back to the bank in the limited time period. If we cross that time period, we can we should give the extra amount for interest.
Good, but
And
it can be retold in a different way. In a credit card, we are offered a limit. The person is offered a limit and we can use up to that limit for purchasing of goods or withdrawal of cash. And at the end of the month, when the bill is received, credit card bill is received, we have to meet that. Okay. The same thing. What you told is also correct. What I am telling is also
actually,
correct.
sir, there is some miscommunication, lack of technical terms. I didn't know because
Yeah,
I'm from
that
different
is why
background. So
I am helpful for you.
I know the concept, like I am
Yeah,
not able to express in
yeah,
the
in a
terminology.
proper, yeah. Now,
Yes,
you are talking to me will be of help for you. Certainly, it will help you to put in proper words. Good. Now, you must have had experience of opening a savings account. Say, what are the documents given to the depositor for proof of having the account?
accounts holder, Aadhaar card, voter
Hmm,
card,
hmm.
or any passport ID proof. Age proof will be also can be taken, and
No, no. My question was
passbook.
my question was different. What are the things bank gives to a customer who opens savings bank account?
Bank gives us.
বুঝতে পারছি না আমি
Bank
বলছি
gives us like I don't know, like
bank
a
gives
form that we should fill this form.
passbook,
Mm.
bank gives passbook, checkbook, ATM card.
Okay.
You know it, you have had experience, but maybe in your case you must have opened in your college itself. Afterwards
Yes,
you would
I
have
forgot it.
afterwards you would have
Checkbook,
checkbook,
ATM card,
passbook.
checkbook, and passbook.
Yeah,
Okay, sir.
good. That's good. Now I will ask a question which you were mentioning. While opening account, what are the documents we give? The question
Yes,
you.
that is any age proof,
Mm.
Aadhaar card, voter card. If you have passport So passport
Any one,
and
any one of the
anyone.
six, any one of the 6 documents like Aadhaar card, passport, driving license, then voter ID, etc. can be given. That will act as a proof of photo ID also. It must have photo ID. It must have address proof also. Correct? Can you please repeat? What are the documents taken roughly for
Any kind
opening
of
up?
any kind of ID proof, that is Aadhaar card, voter card, or passport, and passport size photocopy are needed.
Very good. Why these documents are taken? To comply which regulation these documents are insisted?
And
There is a famous
KYC purposes.
super good. I am happy you are a science student. In spite of it, you could get this point. KYC. What is KYC?
KYC full form is the know your customer.
Super. Why do banks take all these things? What is the advantage of observing KYC? Number one,
Advantages of KYC is that
yeah. Tell me. Acha, are you wearing some parda like thing? No. Oh, it's only your hair. It is like this. Hey, when you are sitting like that, it looked as if आपने पर्दा लगाया.
no sir. No
Now,
sir.
now it's not good. Now you're a small girl, young girl. Good. Tell me. Yeah. What KYCQ? What is the advantage of? Yeah.
Advantages are that I am the resident of India and my hometown, my locations, to address my location, etc. To know about myself. KYC is needed.
No, you can tell it differently. The advantage of the bank is that in order to ensure the identity of the person, address proof of the person, and also to avoid Benami transactions. To avoid Benami transactions, to avoid fraudulent transactions. Both are same. Benami का मतलब क्या है?
मतलब any fraud or fraud cases.
ये opening account in the name of B. Benami का मतलब one person opening account in the name of another person who is existing or not existing. Okay. What is black money?
Black money is the money that doesn't have any taxation.
Over which tax has not been paid.
Paid.
Or the money has been received through illegal means.
Illegal means. Okay.
For example, there is a government employee, touchwood, and he takes some bribe. That becomes a black money. For example, there is a seller of a house. He sells a house for 3 crores, but makes document only for 1 crore. The 2 crore becomes a black money.
The rest of the 2 crore becomes black money.
Super. Good. You know it. I think you seem to be well knowing about it. I am happy. Good. Now we have seen about savings bank. Okay, that's right. KYC also over. Now we will go on to current account. What is current account?
Current account usually the account that is made for the bank business purposes.
For the bank business purposes?
No, individuals business purposes.
That is the thing. People open bank accounts for business purposes. Good. Now, can you tell me who is a proprietor? Commercial term, maybe commerce people only will know. Proprietor is the owner of the company, single man. And where the lady is the owner, how she is called? Proprietrix. You may not know this. Proprietor, proprietrix. Okay, this will do. So that is current account. Now, what is the difference between a savings account and a current account? I will tell you. I will tell you. Savings account, Bank pays interest at the rate of 2.75%. Current account, no interest is paid by bank. In the case of savings account, there are restrictions regarding number of operations. 50 transactions per of year or quarter, like that. Whereas in the case of current account, no restrictions. In the case of current account, charges are levied depending on the number of transactions. If more transactions are conducted, more charges will be levied. Okay. And savings account is for saving purposes, mainly opened by salaried people and also businessmen for their personal needs. Whereas a current account is one for business purposes, because when you open a current account and make payments and receipts, it becomes a record of transactions. You can show record about the payments being made and all that. Correct? Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
That's right. Now we have seen savings account, current account. Tell me something about time deposits. What are time deposits?
Time to time, I can deposit in
No,
our
no.
bank account.
Actually, these two are called demand deposits. Savings bank, current account are called demand deposits because they can be withdrawn at any time.
And at any time with respect to demand.
Yeah. Whenever you person demands, bank has to pay. But time deposits are those deposits repayable after a specified period, maybe
Yes,
15 days.
I know. Uh-huh.
Tell me.
And there is other demand deposits, that is the main taxation included, and then the final amount will be received after a whole period of time.
Yeah, good. See, time deposits means fixed deposit where a fixed amount is paid and every quarter we get interest. And where the interest received by a person from a bank is more than 40,000 in a year from term deposits, tax will be deducted by the bank. 10% of the deposit will be interest. 10% of the interest will be deducted. And after the entire period is over, the principal also will be returned to the depositor. There is another type of term deposit known as a reinvestment plan deposit, where we are not taking the interest on hand, but that interest is reinvested into bank, and that earns the same rate of interest, higher rate of interest. And there is one more type of deposit known as a recurring deposit, where we are paying every month installment. Okay.
SIP, sir.
SIP is what is SIP? Systemized investment
Systemized
plan. That
investment
is coming
plan.
under mutual funds.
Okay.
This
Okay,
is
I mixed
under
it up.
bank. It is recurring deposit where we are paying a specified amount. Sometimes we have a new concept known as variable recurring deposit. Variable recurring deposit, we can open a deposit for 500 rupees this 6 months. Afterwards, we can increase it to 600 or 700. After 6 months, again, we can revise it. That is also there. That is not very popular, of course. So these are time deposits. Good. We have seen all these things. Very happy. Now tell me expansion of RBI.
Like roles of functions of RBI.
No, I am asking expand RBI.
Reserve Bank of India.
Achha, you know the functions of RBI?
Yes.
Please
Little
attempt,
bit.
please attempt. You are not a commerce student. Come on.
Yes, RBI is a banker's bank, basically the bank of the commercial bank. Then RBI can control the inflation and deflation via repo rate and controlling repo rate and reverse repo rate. Then RBI is RBI has a monetary policy.
Bulgaria. RBI is bankers bank.
Yes, sir.
bankers bank, bankers to government,
Bankers to government. Huh?
bankers to government. RBI is the note issuing authority.
No to issue in authority. Yes.
RBI is got control over the banks in issuing licenses for opening of banks, inspection of banks, that is done by RBI. And RBI is also vested with the monetary policy controlling authority.
Yes.
Thereby, they are using the tools like, say, bank rate, repo rate, reverse repo rate, and all that. But I am happy you could recollect and tell me this many good points. That's really good. I never expected you to know this. Excellent, excellent. Now tell me, a customer comes very angrily and shouts at you. What is this? All of you are not doing work. You are all sitting idle. Useless fellows. Like that is shouting. How will you receive? Imagine it's a real life situation and you are very tired. You have been working right from morning 10 o'clock to 2 o'clock and all that. At that time, this fellow comes and shouts like this. Now, imagine it's a real life situation. आपको तो even now you are smiling. You should not smile. Be serious. Now, आप कैसे सामान लेंगे?
I will first listen to their problem. Then I will make him calm so that he settle up their anger. I sort of I will tell my manager to the problem, and I will.
This is what many clerks will do. They won't listen. वो सबको अंदर भेज देगा, सबको मैनेजर के साथ में भेज देगा. But आपने ऐसा बोल सकते हैं, I will offer him seat, give him a cup of water if possible. No, if possible also जरूरत नहीं. Offer him a cup of water. Then listen to the problem. If it can be solved by me, I will solve it immediately. Otherwise, I will take him to the manager and request him to tell that. You won't show the hand. Normally, really, you are going to do that only. You will show the finger, udhar jao. But theoretically, बोलने के समय पर क्या बोलना है? You have to say, I will take him to the manager's room. ठीक है? Very good. Who is the finance minister of India?
Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman.
Who is the defense minister?
Rajnath Singh.
Home minister?
Mr. Amit Shah.
Good. अच्छा से बोल दिया आपने. Now, can you tell me who is the Vice President of India? This is what many candidates fail to remember because it is a South Indian name.
Sir, Vice President of India, Nayar.
Venkaiah Naidu. Venkaiah Naidu. President of India?
President of India is
Ramnath Kovind. Kovind from Bihar. Who is the Speaker of Lok Sabha?
Om Birla.
Super. State Bank of India. Where is its headquarters?
Mumbai.
Okay. Who is the chairman? Dinesh Kumar Karra. Dinesh Kumar Karra. Similarly, SIB ka CEO ka name?
CEO ka, that is Murali Ramakrishnan.
Good. Badhiya, badhiya, badhiya. You are told very nicely. I think I've been talking to you for 30 minutes. A real interview will be 10 minutes only.
Okay, sir.
But only thing is, you listen properly and then answer. 2-3 occasions, you misunderstood the question. So, ऐसा doubt होने से पूछ लीजिएगा. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Okay. In the real interview, how are you going to manage? Are you going to sit like this, or will you have something in your ears to answer?
I have something in my
Oh,
ears.
already you are having. अच्छा अच्छा.
Yes, sir. Yes, I have.
ये तो हम देखा नहीं. What is the speaker you have?
This is Sony speaker.
Sony. Oh,
Yes.
very good. I think you are able to answer without any. Are you able to hear me now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, this is only very cheap, 100 rupees one. Sony must be 400, 500 rupees.
No, sir. It is like a Bluetooth headset. There is no connection. Like wire connection. There is no wire like connection. This is
Oh,
Bluetooth, so
Baba.
it is a little
Oh,
bit costlier.
अच्छा तो must be 1000 रुपया होगा.
हाँ, sir.
Very
हाँ,
good,
हाँ.
very good. That is connected to your cell phone, correct?
नहीं, this laptop.
Super, Baba. Super. I'm very happy. Now, general questions for you. What are your strengths?
My friends,
Strengths.
strengths
Strength.
are yes, sir. Strengths are like I'm very friendly kind. I have that friendly kind of a nature. I'm very calm by nature. Um, I was my class representative in my bachelor's also during my bachelor's. So I have leadership quality. I'm very good listener also. So these are my quality. I can manage my time properly.
Hardworking, quick learner also you can say. Quick
Yes.
learner, creative, something like that. Add कर
Analytical.
analytical. Some masala
Yes.
add कर दीजिए, ठीक है?
Mhm.
Because sometimes they may tease you by asking, how do you correlate your biochemistry? Na? What are you
Yes, sir.
studying? How do you correlate your biochemistry to this? Only thing you have to say is, I think I told you, while
Yes, sir. Over
studying,
the
I told you, now while studying post-graduation and graduation, I have learned about the art of dealing with people, communicating to people, interacting with people, analyzing problems and all. ये सब हम सीख लिया. इसी वजह से I am very fit for becoming a clerk, and I hope to see myself in higher positions as years pass by. They will ask you, how do you see yourself after 5 years? You have to say, I see myself as officer. I would have
okay,
got
sir.
promoted by then.
Can I say कि I have planned for doing my MBA and then I want to do like branch manager.
MBA करना तो करो,
Okay.
correspondence में करो, or there is no direct connection between your MBA and this one. Because आप MBA पढ़ने से भी again you have to go for job only or do business. Are you interested in doing business?
No, sir. Like managerial level kind of a job I wanted.
Very good. That is right. But of course, that will be possible only when you join in a very reputed MBA institute, then come
Yes, sir.
out so that you get directly recruited into that. Otherwise, the best option will be join as a clerk, then prepare for SBI PO or IBPS PO and join. That's what you have to do. Correct?
Okay.
Very nice. I'm really happy. So I'm really getting good candidates in South Indian Bank. All those who are opting to come to me are all worthy candidates, and you are also one among them. I am happy because the way you are smiling, the way you are taking things sportively, very nicely, it gives a good sense of satisfaction. So then some more questions. I can be with you for another 3 or 4 more minutes. Like next question can be, what are your hobbies?
Specifically, I did my 4th year of classical dances, and
Oh,
then
classical dance means Robindra Songit, correct?
yeah, Robindra Sangit. No. I
Yeah.
did my Robindra Sangit also, but I did my Bharatnatyam.
भरतनाट्यम. अरे भाई
Classical.
वो लैंग्वेज सब कैसे समझ लेंगे आप?
Sir, there is no language barrier
ताम
between dance and
तताम
Habib. Yes, sir.
tai tati.
Yes, sir.
So you can manage that also. So nice. Then what
Yes.
else? What are,
Recently, I developed some like in lockdown, I developed some cooking habits, gardening, etc.
super. They can ask you which dish do you cook very nicely? Mataji says siklo.
I can cook anything like pizzas, biryani,
Super,
momos, etc. Yeah,
super,
yeah.
super, super. Tell them. They will also be happy to know that. Because mostly the interview can be in some places it is more two female and one male. In some places it is all three male, like that it goes. Yesterday I told you in a video, no? Yeah. So
Yes.
yesterday's video you saw, I gave the list of questions.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
There was
Good.
one ECGC candidate
Ah,
interview also.
yeah, that's yeah, ECGC. That's a big one. But udhar se thoda points you can take, like strengths, weaknesses. How will you fit into this leadership? Like these questions are common for you also. Okay,
Yes,
good. Very happy, very happy. Are you happy in
yes, sir.
talking,
Yes, sir. I'm very
taking
happy.
this
Yes.
in? I am really happy. By this time tomorrow, your interview must have been over. I request
Yes.
you to send the questions through email to me, because
Okay.
there is no point in your talking to me. I don't say I'm busy. I'm not busy. फिर भी आप चिंता concentrate करके points करके भेज दो. It will be very good for me. But some candidates, what they do, they are posting in YouTube comments and all. हमारा बहुत तकलीफ हो जाता है, उधर से कॉपी करके इधर से करना, ये तो मुश्किल है. आप ईमेल
Yes.
भेज दो, ईमेल भेज दो, ठीक है?
Yes.
Very good. Best wishes. I wish,
Do you?
yeah, I
Yes,
wish you
sir.
get success. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. So, do you have any knowledge कि कितना post है available in Kolkata or West Bengal?
Sorry, I am totally an outsider. I have been guiding people for interview only. I have no connection with the South Indian Bank. And let us hope 10% they will take.
10%.
10%. If 100 people are interviewed, maybe they will take 10 people.
Okay.
Something like that. Be hopeful.
Okay.
Do your best. Acha, some newspaper reading also they can ask. Go through today's newspaper and tomorrow newspaper also. आज का न्यूज़ क्या है? पढ़ा नहीं?
आज का न्यूज़ है लेकिन ज़्यादा नहीं पढ़ा क्योंकि एग्जाम था ना.
ठीक है. तो आज का न्यूज़पेपर अभी पढ़ लो. Tomorrow का न्यूज़पेपर जरूर पढ़ लो, because there can be news regarding new cabinet ministers being inducted into central ministry, union ministers. Some 14 people are going to be taken in. Today's news is about change of governors. 8 governors have been posted. Some such change is there. If you want, I will send you the compilation I have made yesterday.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
I
Please
have
send.
made a compilation. What is that compilation? I will read out so that दूसरा बच्चा लोग को भी थोड़ा थोड़ा फायदा हो जाएगा. 1 मिनट ठहरो जी, ठहरो. कल क्या क्या पॉइंट्स हमने लिखा है. Nandan Ilakani appointed to 9-member government panel to curb digital monopolies. Hey, Baba, what is this? Only this much is there. What happened? Galti ho gaya? I find only one here. Acha. Today is 7th July. I should read for you 6th July. Nearly 9,000 employees of Kitex Group protest against false allegations. Kerala. India's hiring rate rises to 35% in May from 10% in April. Darbar move, 149-year-old tradition of capital shifting in Jammu and Kashmir comes to an end. Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha rolls out LGSDF for engineering management other graduates of Jammu and Kashmir. India's first FASTag based cashless parking facility opened in Delhi. Department of Telecommunication, rupees 10,000 fine per fraud SMS after 50 violations. Health Ministry launches informational video series COVID Gurukul on social media platforms. Tourism Ministry signs MOU with Yatra.com. Karnataka Governor designate Gehlot to quit as Union Minister tomorrow. That means today. A website offering unemployment assistance to youths amid COVID-19 fake, government says. Delhi Chief Minister launches portal to apply for COVID-19 death compensation. More Penn Laboratories produces first batch of Sputnik V, Sputnik 5 RDIF. Acha, they can ask you questions regarding COVID vaccines also. Covaxin, Covishield,
Covishield.
which company is making a sub padlo. ठीक है. There are some more points also. हम इसको up this one I will post it in our Telegram itself. ठीक है. Telegram में post कर देगा. आप उधर से डाउनलोड कर दीजिए. कितना मेरा कल ज्यादा points दिया हमने. कम से कम 35 points or so I have given. Okay. Yeah, and today's bad news is Dilip Kumar. What is that
Dilip
news?
Kumar passed away
Very good.
in 1998 साल का था.
Yeah, good. Very good. You are up to date. I will send you that. You are a member of my Telegram group.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I will post there. Thank you.
Thank
Best
you, sir.
wishes.
Thank you,
9
sir.
out of 10.
Thank you, sir.
Similar to that Gujarat boy, Rajgot boy. Yesterday, that ECGC boy, more or less. 9, you are doing very well. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. You can see this in YouTube also afterwards. It may take some time. Thank you.
Okay,
Bye.
thank you, sir.
Now I will go for South State Bank model paper. Are you writing State Bank exam? No.
Yes, sir. On 13th, I have SBI clerical job.
तब तो आप एक काम कर दो, जल्दी अंदर जाओ, एक नोटबुक लेके रखो, YouTube का सामने आ जाओ, sit along with you. What is that? Our Telegram also. I will post a paper. You try to answer. But उसमें थोड़ा इसमें थोड़ा तकलीफ होगा because sequencing may not be there properly. Real exam में तो आपको फिगर भी मिलेगा, एक एक क्वेश्चन सेपरेटली मिलेगा. इधर ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है, इसलिए थोड़ा तकलीफ होगा, फिर भी अटेम्प्ट कर लो. Which mock tests are you attempting? Adda or what?
नहीं, I am attempting this Unacademy plus.
Super. Good. Very good. Very good. If you have some appointment of going for that class, please go. Don't disturb yourself. If you are free, you come and attend. You can even take my paper afterwards also. It is going to be online. Best wishes. I enjoy talking to, but your name is very difficult to pronounce.
Oitika. Oitika.
But it's very difficult.
Oitika is like I searches over on the Google writing my name. There is only one name Oitika that is mine. And it is very rare name.
What is the meaning of this name? They can ask you.
Yeah, this is basically tradition. It seems like tradition.
Most probably your interview
In-
will be.
in-
Most probably
in
your
Bengali, it's called
interview may be done by your Kolkata people only. That's what is happening in other places. Telangana people are conducting. Bangalore people are conducting. Likewise. Because they only can talk in local language.
So I will be interviewed by a Bengali people.
Mostly. Because they would like to test also whether you can communicate in Bengali. আপনি কথা বলতে পারি না কে এটা দেখবো ঠিক আছে দেখবে or দেখবো I don't know whatever it is দেখবে Thank you 9 out of 10 I am really happy God has helped me to guide you so that way I wish you should succeed but don't worry about success or failure because these are all not so very it is important for you but फिर भी नहीं देने से क्या कर सकते हैं they don't take you for account of many other reasons उनका पास number of vacancy less होगा इसलिए आप don't degrade yourself Do not get demotivated. Always feel motivated. Wish you best of luck. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.